I want to go to St. Luke, St. Luca, but no train because of the snow. No train. Maybe next month, next week daw. Next week, sorry, I cannot come. I cannot go to the Blessed Virgin of St. Luke because there are many snow. You see? Uh-huh. God bless. Let's go there. Bologna. Also, Bologna is nice also in the day, not only in the night, in the
Oh,
evening ba?
ayan ko na.